Welcome learners. My name is Shubhangi Jepulkar and we are going to discuss today Strategic Management, Unit number 1, that is Introduction to Strategic Management, Evolution and Business Policies. Before moving to discuss what Strategic Management is, let us understand what strategy is. May I ask you all one question, that what comes to your mind first when you hear this word strategy? Some of you may recall strategy in game. Some of you will say the strategy is required to counter the terrorism or to implement the business policies or government policies. Strategy is always heard with politics, right? That means one word strategy is having various aspects, and to generalize it, it contains the set of actions and decisions. It's a long-term plan. So the features of strategies can be discussed one by one. The first one is, it is a set of action. Imagine a hunter in the old age or stone age who is going to hunt for the food in the jungle. It has to hit its target. That means he is planning, he is waiting, and he is searching for its food to come and hit it at the right time. That means it has to have some plan of actions, right? Second feature of the strategy is, it is a long-term plan. Third feature of strategy is, it is goal-oriented. If you do not have any goal, the strategy is not required. Often, it is the action to the it is a counter action to the action of someone. Like in a competitive market, when many competitors come in, and the person who was earlier enjoying monopoly will be now in insecurity or danger, and he might feel that to maintain his position he requires a strategy, and how he will cope up with the increasing competition. So that means strategy is required as an counter action. The next feature of the strategy is, it is most of the time in businesses designed by the top management. The top management decides what are the vision, mission and objectives for any business, and that's how they give a direction to its business. How it will be done, how the activities will be done, which activities will be there required in the business, and how they will be achieved. So that's an irreversible or a long-term plan which is often costlier. The next feature of the strategy is, it is a future plan. In the future, in the long term, what will be the milestones one by one to be achieved are designed at particular time, and they are implemented. Another feature of strategy is, it is formulated and implemented. That means it happens in two phases. That is a formulation, that means planning of the strategy, and then implementing it. After implementing, we also evaluate whether the standards which were set are achieved or not. That means strategy is a bridge between where we are and where we want to be. The next part will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.